Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. Nikki O Knows here, and I'm here on January 21st, and I am here to say thank you once again, you guys, for just listening to my videos from my day 80 to my day 90. Like I said, today is day 87, and you are tuning in to me today to hear the top 10 reasons why your channel can grow as a small channel content creator on YouTube. Your channel can grow too, you guys. I'm over 500 subscribers now. I almost have 2,000 watch hours, so I am literally trickling closer to the end of that finish line to get monetized. And when I say monetized, I have a long way to go, you guys, because it takes so much work to get monetized, but I am just slowly inching closer and closer. And I want to share some of the strategies that I've used for my channel to get to where I need to get. So I do have my post-its here, so hopefully you guys will bear with me as I kind of look down from time to time, but I just wanted to share some of the insights that have really helped me grow my channel up to today on my 87th day. Okay, so number one, you guys, is just posting quality content. It's really about quality over quantity. So it's not about how many videos you guys are pushing out. It's about finding whatever's in your niche or area of interest and knowledge and pushing that video out, but it must be filled with quality content. Okay, you guys, that is very, very important. So that way it resonates with your audience. If your posts are not resonating with your audience, you guys, people are not going to want to come back to your channel or click on your video. So make sure you guys have quality content, because that is super important. That is my number one. Number two, you guys want to have a niche focus. Now, you guys know I nicknamed myself No Niche Nikki, but I am really, truly starting to narrow down my niche focus. And from the time that I started, I literally did not have a niche, you guys. I was all over the place. But I do want you guys to know, by day 90, as you guys know, today's 87, but by day 90, I am going to have a niche focus. So I'm going to have a primary and a secondary, and then a third option for my niche. So I do want you guys to know that really picking a niche, you guys, you're able to target a specific audience. So that way, people that are interested in education go to your video for education. If they're into sciences, they may not go to education, right? So they're looking for specific lessons on certain pieces of that educational field. So just know, you guys, you want a dedicated audience, and that comes from selecting a niche. So I'm just letting you guys know, even though I nicknamed myself No Niche Nikki, I am starting to narrow it down, and that is some of the things that I have learned along the way. They're called growing pains, and I've definitely felt them because I've messed up a lot on here, and I've learned so much in just 87 days, you guys. So my number two is just picking a niche, an area of focus, an area that you're knowledgeable in, and just moving with that information and sharing it with the world, you guys. Be authentic, be yourself, be who you are, be informative, but also be teachable. That is super important, okay? So give the information, but also receive information so you can continue to grow on your channel. That's how this works. It's kind of like a give and take, right? My number three is just being consistent. You guys, probably if you've listened to my post before, you have to be consistent, you guys. Regularly uploading your videos is very important. Your audience is looking forward to whatever you have to share. So be consistent, whether you do postings 3 times a week, 2 times a week, 1 time a week. Give your audience what they need, you guys, because they're going to be yearning for your post. If people like you and want to subscribe to your channel out of all these channels, that means they're interested in what you have to share. So please, you guys, be consistent so that way you can retain your loyal audience, because you don't want them to remove that subscribe and go somewhere else. That is very, very key to your overall success. My number 4 is just SEO optimization. And I'm sure you guys have heard me before. Search engine optimization, you guys, that is where all your analytics are just stored, and they're ready for you to just view at any given time. So make sure, you guys, in your titles as well, you're using relevant words, keywords, key details, key descriptions to really define your titles of your post. So it should all align very smoothly, you guys, to make sure that you're tagging and being more discoverable on YouTube. That is very important. Number 5, you guys, is thumbnails, right? When people are scrolling through YouTube, they want to make sure that you want to make sure that they can see, as soon as they click on YouTube, it's like a little box and it has like a little image of whatever your video is about, right? If it's about a dog swimming in a frozen lake, right? You should have some kind of little clip that shows what that is about as soon as the YouTube viewer scrolls through all the videos that are on YouTube. So please use your thumbnails, you guys. Make them eye-catching and really interesting to the viewer, so that way they want to click on your videos and you want to attract their views, okay? Next one is engagement. So when you guys have people that are leaving comments and dialoguing with you guys, make sure, you guys, that you are really interacting with your audience, because that is one way, you guys, to foster community interaction and build your loyal team, right? That is very, very important, along with other other options that I have given you guys. So engagement really encourages your viewers to be part of your community. And that's what you guys are building. You're building a community because you want them to stay loyal to you and your page. That is the goal. Okay, so engagement. Number 7, social media promotion. And what this means, you guys, you want to make sure that on your social media platforms that you are sharing information. So don't just keep it to one, multiple social media platforms. You can have the same handle on many of them. As many of my friends and my family members know, you guys, I have never been into social media. Never, ever, never, ever, never, never. But literally within the past 87 days, you guys, I have not only gotten on YouTube, I also got on TikTok. I'm also on Facebook. I am also on Instagram. So these are all brand new to me, you guys, and I'm learning a whole new world out there because I'm not a social media person. I'm still not a social media person. I'm really just focused on my videos. But when it comes to social media promotion of being on different pages and sharing your information and posting your links on different pages to maybe reroute them back to another page, that is what you guys want to do. Okay, so social media promotion is my number 7. Number 8, you guys, is just collaboration. You guys want to get out there and partner and tap into other people's resources and what they have to offer. That is very, very important. So that way you guys can build your audience, but also tap into people that have already paved the way for us to be successful. So if you see somebody with 500,000 subscribers, you guys, go to their page and see what they've been doing. See if they want to do a collab with you. It is amazing. And collaboration, you guys, also happens when you go to another person's page and leave like a little comment for them. And sometimes people comment from what you stated, and then before you know it, they're on your page checking out who you are, what you're about. And then sometimes I get subscribers, you guys, just from comments that I've made on other people's pages. So if you guys get the chance to collab with someone else, and that includes through dialoguing and comments on pages, do that, you guys. That is one way to really build your page. Next up, I have number 9, trends and challenges. You guys have heard me say, follow the trends, follow the challenges. Creating content around things that are popular, you guys, is one way to really grow your channel. So I always give the caveat, just be very cautious and careful, you guys. If you have a full-time job, that you are not compromising the professional standards and code of ethics within your professional job. So don't hurt your bread and butter now. Don't hurt your bread and butter trying to keep up with the YouTube trends. So that's all I'm going to say there. And the challenges can be super fun. So you guys can always propose a challenge and then or a statement, and then you can have your audience go back and forth. Just be mindful about common courtesy and respect that is necessary to really have your flow of your page that you want. So when you guys are reading the comments, if it's too absurd, you guys feel free to delete it. I don't really delete mine, but because I've had a few comments that are just really off the chain. I'm like, why are you on my page? Just hit subscribe and say thank you. There's no need. But you guys stay ready with the comment, because sometimes when you are in the trends and challenges, like say you're dancing and you're not a good dancer, people will have something to say. So just stay ready so you don't have to get ready for the comments, but do not go back and forth with the tit for tat. Just, you can make one small comment, you know, thanks for stopping by, hit subscribe while you're at it, and then leave it alone. If they come back with something even more rude, feel free to block them or delete them, okay? And then my last one, you guys, is just audience overall feedback. Listen to other people. I have really, you guys, researched a lot of people that are doing very good, and I listen to what they prefer, what has worked for their channel, what has worked for their audience and their page, how they've actually grown, what has worked and not worked, because that information, you guys, they have already tried a lot of the stuff. So some of the things that they're sharing about different apps or websites or all the fancy gadgets and cameras and stuff that, you know, people want to go out and purchase, it might not be necessary, you guys, right away to do all that. I've been using my iPhone 11 this whole entire time. All 87 days, I've literally been using my iPhone 11. I know, it's crazy. But I just want you guys to know you can do it literally with whatever phone you guys have. Just get on. The first step is overcoming your fear of being on camera and then posting yourself to the world. So I'm always on stage because I work in the field of education, right? So I'm always on stage, but to actually put myself on stage, you guys, in front of the world and those people that possibly are interested in what I have to say and sharing my information and my story and my testimony of how successful or unsuccessful I've been and what's worked and hasn't worked. People want to hear my story. I'm just a regular person, you guys, literally. A regular person with a 9-to-5 job who's just trying to make some extra income and put smiles on people's faces. That is so awesome. So just to let you guys know, just Be the best that you guys can be on this channel. Take the leap of faith. Hit start on the camera, or hit the red button on the camera, and then post whatever you guys have to share. Everybody has a strength. It is time, you guys. It is 2025. It is time to move your strengths into the ears and hearts and actions of other people. So once you guys do that, you will start to get better, and your fear will start to decrease, and your anxiety will start to limit itself to minimal levels. And I'm telling you guys, I started out, I was very nervous because I was worried about everybody else's comments, right? I was very, very concerned, especially about my mother. My mother is my #1 fan, and that comes with some pros, but also some constructive feedback, because that's her job, to make sure I'm presenting myself in the best manner that I can. So just know, you guys, whether you move silently or you move with grace, sharing your information and your new postings and your page with your friends and family, be ready for it. Be ready for it. I didn't move silently because I kind of advertised with some of my close friends and family members that I do have a YouTube. Not everybody knows. There's more people that don't know that I have YouTube, you guys, that do. So the people that do know me, they have been very, very supportive on my page. And I have some coworkers that are on point. Every time I post, they have the notifications on, as well as my family, my mom, my dad, my brother, my sister. I'm just very thankful for them, because they've been on point when it comes to just supporting me and hitting that the likes and the hearts and all that stuff. So I'm very thankful for that, because it really helps the algorithm. And like I said, in due time, you guys, I will get to the long win, and I'm celebrating the short-term wins along the way. And through the YouTube analytics page, you guys, it gives you a lot of analytics and data to be successful, to be very excited about, because you've been very successful along the way. So we do celebrate the small wins, and YouTube analytics page is really good, you guys. The SEO optimization page is really good about allowing us to see the data that we've created for the week, so we can have those short wins. So just give yourself grace, you guys, while you're in this YouTube journey and on this journey and in this adventure and on this adventure, because it is key to your success. So once again, you guys, thank you so much for joining me on my 87th day. You can do it. I promise you, guys, if I'm on here, I am just a normal, average person who took the first step. And every journey starts with one step. I don't know who said that, but shout out to whoever stated that, because that quote always resonates with my heart. Every single journey, you guys, just starts with one step, or perhaps one video and one post, and you guys have it. So please share your knowledge, share your information, because somebody, I'm telling you guys, somebody wants to hear it. Thank you guys so much. I look forward to seeing you guys on January 22nd. That will be my 88th day. And then my 90th day will be 2 days after that. So thank you guys again. I really appreciate you. Hopefully you enjoyed my little 10 reasons why you too can be successful on YouTube as a small channel content creator in 87 days. Just 87. I've made it 87 days. And I'm so excited. So thank you guys. I appreciate it. Have a great day.